We are going to fit inside this SUV, this black tub, these 3 tubs. There's a tub, stack of 18 by 24 images. These are large pieces, 24 by 36 canvas, 2 of them, panoramic image, some smaller images, tent walls, tent stabilizer bars back there, print rack, chair, table, and we have 2 sets of sandbags or tent weights, but we are just using the sand-based ones for this event because that's what they specified. So we are now going to fit all of that in here in Tetris style. And Shelly will fit in there too, and I will fit in there also. And sometimes an 8-year-old. So what we figured out was we could put the sandbags at the baseboard, and then the seat folds down over top of those sandbags. Your seats might fold forward, and then underneath that is the sandbags, and then we just do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so we have all the sandbags in, we put our tent in, and we flip it sideways. It works better sideways, and you may have to find little nuances like that as well. These are our tent walls, and yes, I feel bad watching Shelly do all this heavy work, and then I'm going to eat ice cream afterwards. And these are metal stabilizer bars for our tent walls. Now this one is a pill. This is heavy. Look at the smile on her face. Try and replicate the smile. This is a backbreaker. There it is. Still smiling.
There we go.
Lift with your smile, not your back. Table on top. Tetris expert Shelly Simmons. And this is the night before our festival, although we have done this 100 times, so you get kind of familiar with what will fit in your car and what won't. Those are wrapped in gallery bags. They're like a thick bubble wrap that ideally won't pop. Where did we get those? Framedestination.com. They're called gallery pouches. They're expensive, and it took us, we didn't start buying those until our 3rd year of doing festivals. So it might be something you have to work your way up to, but they are totally worth it. This is where it gets a little tricky, I think. She has not cursed yet. No cursing. She hasn't thrown anything. Your attitude is the only thing you can choose in life. Look at that. She's got a few beads of sweat on her head.
I do.
This is her workout for the day, though. For dinner, we had potatoes and
Man-pleasing chicken.
man, please, you didn't have to say it like that for this video. But yes, we had a recipe called man-pleasing chicken, and there were 3 men, and they were all pleased. All right, nearing the end. It takes us about 10 minutes to load the car, isn't it?
Yeah.
10 minutes to load the car.
Maybe not even that much.
About an hour and a half to set up, and about 30 minutes to break down. Tomorrow morning we are at the TC Fine Arts and Crafts Showcase in Brevard, North Carolina. This is our 3rd year doing that show, and it is pretty good. It's a fun one. Last piece. Just cram it in there. There it is. Now we have room for a lawn chair, right? We needed a lawn chair, I guess. Lawn chair, and we have a little space right here. We could pack our lunches, save some money,
Yes.
and put a little cooler right here, or nice tote with ice and sandwiches and drinks in it. Anything else?
Can I have ice cream?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely 2 ice creams. All right. Thank you so much.